Linkin Park frontman Chester Bennington has died in a suspected suicide. Bennington was found dead of an apparent hanging Thursday morning. The death eerily occurred on the birthday of Soundgarden frontman Chris Cornell. After Cornell's death, Bennington shared an emotional open letter to his close friend on Twitter. The same day Bennington's body was discovered, Linkin Park released the music video for the band's latest single, Talking to Myself. The singer had been vocal about previous struggles with addiction. Bennington is survived by his wife and 6 children from multiple relationships.